It's Keith here, KG's Garage. We're going to work on this stand-up lawnmower again. I'm going to switch out the carburetor right now. Let me show you what it does. Pull the choke up. Put this about halfway. Start it up. Seems to be running fine. I'll go full blast here. That's full. Now I'm going to let go of the choke. Running good. Choke's still up though. I push the choke down. It just dies. I think it should be able to run with this thing all the way open. Choke's all the way down. This is, I believe this is normal operating. Choke down, full blast, and it should run. It doesn't run, it just dies. So I'm replacing the carburetor. I'm not going to try to rebuild it or clean it or do anything. I'm just replacing it because who knows how old it is and whatever. Gunk in there, who knows what's in there. So that's what I'm doing right now. What I got to do is I just put these screws on here just to hold it in place. What are these nuts, right? You take those nuts off. Now the carburetor is loose. I gotta undo this down here. Take this hose off. These things, the spring and this bar here has come off. That's for choke and gas. And let me show you, I have a whole new setup. So here's the new carburetor. I got this on Amazon for not that much money. Looks pretty good. One thing I noticed was this thing down here. Whatever this thing is, I have to unscrew that one and put it on here, on the bottom of here, I guess. Oh, and also I guess once I unscrew this nut here, I can spin the bowl. It has the adjuster over here, the drain right here. And what else? Ground strap goes there. Hold it. Yep. So that looks pretty much the same. I'll see what happens when I pull it off. I'll compare it a little bit better, but it looks pretty good. That would be there. What is this? This is the gas. That's full blast. Okay. So it comes with that. A new fuel filter. A couple of hoses. Oh, new fuel pump, gasket, hose clamps. There's a couple more hose clamps in here. A bunch more hose clamps, and then a new filter, which replace this filter. This filter's not horrible, but got a brand new one. So that was like I think it was like $40 for all that stuff. Not too bad, I don't think. Whole new, everything new. All right, let's I'm just gonna start taking stuff apart. It's not gonna be that hard. There's one screw here, and I gotta pull that out, and that other stuff. Okay, this is mostly done. I put new hose here, new hose here, new hose here, going to the gas, new fuel filter. I swapped this out for the old one. Remember, it's on the bottom here. I don't know what it does. It looks like it's a little plunger. Oh, and actually it looks like it's leaking, so I'm gonna have to do something there. Anyway, so this, I hooked all the cables back up, the doodads, the bars. Let's see if this thing starts up now. Key on. A little bit of choke. It's on slow. So a little bit of choke. More choke. Alright. I'm going to push black smoke's coming out. I'm going to push the choke down. Alright, so no choke. Choke is totally open. It's on slow. Let's go to fast. See what happens. Full blast. Okay, so it's running good. I thought there was gas coming out of here. I mean, I didn't do any adjustments. There's adjustments here for the throttle. I didn't touch that yet. This is shut. I can't. I don't know if it's leaking here. I think maybe gas came out of here. I don't know. Anyway, it starts up. I just got to put all of the air filter back on. I had to put the 2 nuts on here to hold it, right? Because when this goes on, the nuts go here, and then it holds the carburetor on. That's how it holds it. And there's a gasket that goes right there. Anyway, I'm gonna do that, and then this hose right here goes into the back. Oops. Goes into the back right there. It just plugs in. So I'm gonna button this all up and see how it runs. All right, there we go. It's all put back together. The only issue left is now this thing's leaking. The rubber grommet that goes into the tank looks like it's leaking. So I gotta get one of those. Let's see how much gas is in there. And there's plenty of gas. So I don't know. But let's see if it starts up and cuts. Alright, well, that's going to do it. Another quick video. Last video probably on the Stander. Not much else to do on it, but that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it. Go ahead and click the like, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe already. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Bye.